Today we're going to talk about, should I just be a freelancer?
Kristen asks, I'm digging into strategies to launch when I'm ready. Freelance versus full-time. Thoughts, anyone?
So it sounds like you're just getting started in your learning journey, or you're not completely there yet, or you feel like you're not ready to enter the job market. So what you're doing is you're stressing about things that you're not ready to do yet. So let's put that to the side for a second. Let's focus on what you're doing, because what we want to do is get a job ultimately with this. So what you need to be focused on right now is learning the right stack that employers want. Here at Foundry, we believe that's ASP.NET and C# with MVC, build web applications based on that platform. Plenty of jobs across the US in that stack. The second thing you need to do is build a portfolio based on business problems. Solve a business problem and show that in your portfolio. Learn to talk about these business problems at a detailed technical level. Talk about your code. Then you're ready to start talking to recruiters and enter in that job market where you can actually get paid. There's 3 ways right now that I can think of that you can get paid. Number 1, you can look at contracts, and contracts are definitely lucrative. They're definitely an avenue you can pursue. So a contract is, you call a recruiter and they'll say, this company or this person wants to hire you for 3 months to build X. That contract can also get renewed, and it also can end right there, and then you go take the next contract. Out there, you can see that there's plenty of people that make their entire living on contracts. They work 6 months or 9-month agreements or 12-month agreements, and they've done that for 10 or 15 years. You also can pursue, at a junior level, full-time roles that include health insurance, 401k, all the things that you want from a full-time job. If you've got your coding skills now together and you got your portfolio together, and you find someone on your own, and this is what I would call freelancing. Someone comes to you and says, hey, can you build a website for my restaurant? Or can you build this thing? I want to automate this task in my marketing company. Do those jobs as well. You can do those at night on the side while you have your junior dev job. You can do them while you're underemployed or unemployed to supplement your income. For most of all, what you need to do is build a stack that's employable. You need to build a portfolio that you can show someone, whether that be a freelance customer, a tech recruiter, or a full-time hirer, and then you need to be able to talk about it in an intelligent way. And then finally, just keep taking all the jobs that you can get that people are willing to pay you for to build that portfolio, build that resume, and build that career. But most of all, the best thing you can do right now is to keep coding.